I could, I don't want to totally redo this video. I hit the stop button on the record, and so that's going to make a second video out of this. I could take it into a video editing software and combine them. In that, what I found is in that process, I really lose quality. We've tried it before, and so I'm not sure what I'm going to do about this. I don't want to start over again. Uh, there was just, I think, one more thing I was going to explain anyway, and that is how to turn the final processing of the video. And so once I stop the video, if I hit this drop up arrow, so to speak, they're faded out. Some of the functions are faded out that you can't do while it's recording, and one of them is down at the bottom is convert to video. When I hit that, it's going to take me into a folder that shows a bunch of subfolders uh, named by date. And so today is the 7th of January of 2016. So we'd have a folder by that name, and uh, I would go into that folder if I wanted to convert that and process that video, if you would. I go into that, and I think it actually goes down a couple of levels. And I keep going until I see a file that I can select, because within this program it won't show any file except the one that you need to have. So you have to go into the right date and then go down a couple of levels of subfolders, and you'll find a file that you can click on. And right now you see a red button up here that shows we're recording. Once I stop it and I begin the conversion process, I think that changes colors, but anyway, it starts telling me what percent of conversion has taken place, so I know when I can turn off the computer or whatever once it's done processing. And it changes it from some sort of a proprietary uh, system into an AVI video that you can watch on any computer. And you can go ahead and move it from that particular subfolder wherever you want to move it to. Change its name if you want to. It's going to be named by the date and everything automatically, so you can change its name to whatever you want to. So I think that pretty well covers what I wanted to cover anyway. Again, on the technical side, I'm going to name this video technical, so that's one of the technical things that you need to know. Again, I'll reiterate the other technical aspects you need to understand is that in order to use this system, you're going to have to collapse that system down. That you're going to have to uh, first off have online video turned on for your computer that you're going to use if it's on campus by Mikhail or his staff. You're going to need his administrative authority to load the recording button, and that, by the way, again, as kind of suggested, it actually records into your computer, and so that's where it's going to exist until you move it someplace else, if you choose to, onto Moodle, onto YouTube, wherever you want to move it to. And you're going to need his administrative authority if you're on campus and using one of the campus computers to um, add a little add-on for the desktop function. So I think that covers everything. If you have some questions, don't hesitate to email me, kharvey@keymap.kz, and thank you very much.